Today's recipe, honey roasted Brussels sprouts with walnuts and bacon. I first start off by rinsing my Brussels sprouts under cold water. Then I use a paper towel to pat it dry. Next, let's go ahead and start the bacon. Now we'll cook the bacon until it's crispy. Once the bacon is crispy on one side, I go ahead and flip it and allow it to get crispy on the other side. Now that our bacon is nice and crispy, I'll go ahead and remove it and lay it on a paper towel so that it can absorb the excess fat. Now it's time to prepare the Brussels sprouts. I trim the ends off and then I cut them in half. I'm removing the excess fat from the pan where we fried the bacon, and I'm going to leave about 1 tablespoon in the pan. Now I'm going to add some butter and we'll allow that to melt. And next I'm going to go ahead and add the Brussels sprouts. Now I like to lay the Brussels sprouts with the cut part down, so this way that gets a nice sear in the cast iron pan. Now I'm going to allow this to cook for about 4 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and add the onions. Now I'm adding the onions, and I'll go ahead and combine all the ingredients. Next I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. I also added some fresh pepper as well as some garlic and wine seasoning. And we'll give that a stir. And now we're going to go ahead and add some more butter. Next, I went ahead and chopped some walnuts and I added it to the mixture as well. Now I'm adding some harmless honey and let that cook for about an additional minute, and now we're done. So I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like once it's done, and this will make a perfect addition to any holiday meal. I hope you guys like this one. So if you like this recipe, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. The entire recipe will be listed on my website. It's lowcarb360.com. As always, I thank you all for watching.